Start a video meeting using Google Meet on your computer. Visit meet.google.com to start or join your meeting. You can join a currently scheduled meeting from this page. To start a new one, click New Meeting and select an option. To get a code for a future meeting, click Create a meeting for later. Copy the meeting link and send it to your guests. To set up a time to meet, click Schedule in Google Calendar. Create your event and click Save. Calendar automatically adds the conferencing details for you. To start a meeting now, click Start an instant meeting. To invite people to join, copy the meeting link or click Add others. Enter email addresses, and click Send email. Your guests immediately get an email with the joining information. For more support, check out the Start or Schedule a Google Meet Video Meeting article in the Meet Help Center.